Hi there, welcome back to our Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're talking about Ambivo, which is basically a platform where you can centralize your data and hold data about your leads, companies, contacts, and things like this. Um, First of all, starting from the headline, unfortunately, it's not that clear because it just has one system, one total clarity, but it's not that clear exactly what they do. And here it just has a quote saying most businesses don't have a data problem, they have a fragmentation problem. Okay, so unfortunately, that's not very clear. You can kind of try and make a guess with this image on the right, but it's not that clear until you actually go here and it says all your customers, one source of truth. It says manage leads, contacts, companies, and every interaction on a centralized system built to keep your team aligned and accountable. I would have put this sentence right at the top here, just so that a prospect visiting this page can easily understand what this software does without, you know, guessing too much. But anyway, they say how you can do a lot of things like contact management, email marketing, appointments and bookings, and so on and so forth. Now, they've got a really good line to credibility right here with the brand scrolling down. And also, they've got basically all the integrations that you can use, like a Google Calendar and Outlook, if you want to use those types of softwares with this platform. They've also got a really good place for the testimonials that we've got. Here, this person said that it was great and a helpful CRM system. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay. Also got a CEO here stating that they were relieved to find Ambivo. Okay, so things like this actually help the prospect make a good estimate of what using this software would be like. Also it states how you can connect all the integrations like Notion, Slack, OneDrive, and things like that. And the pricing is quite clear as well because every feature is clearly explained with each tier. And a good thing is that they've also got frequently asked questions to handle any objection that prospect might have. Okay, I guess what they could have done potentially is maybe add a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins they get by simply including a lead magnet or any kind of incentive like a freebie or a discount. And other than that, I think this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder with a free trial and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.